The need of the hour is urgency to revive the world's agricultural soil and regenerate microbial life and in turn ensure the safety and well-being of all life. Said Sadhguru, every one of you keep the message going. Good morning, this is Ashok Lohani. Welcome you all to be a part of this wonderful session that is Safe Soil. Many times we talk about climate change, carbon emission and global warming and various other aspects of society. And we do not address the soil. Soil is the habitat upon which zillions of life thrive. Once there is no richness in the soil, that means we are in danger near future. Right? Students, every responsible scientist in the world and then UN agency are clearly saying that approximately 45 to 50 years agricultural soil left on the planet by 2045. In future, we will be producing 40% food than what we are producing right now. That means we are going to face unimaginable consequences. Means बच्चों हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा खतरे में पड़ने वाले हैं, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं बचेगा, यानी कि मिट्टी डेड होने वाली है completely. Students, we must understand if you add organic content to sand, sand will turn into fertile soil. If you remove all organic content from the soil, then soil will become sand. You need to understand for this. We are going to destroy the soil completely by using chemicals, pesticides and other inorganic content. So my dear students, my motive is to make each and everyone in the society understand about the value of soil. Students, we can restore, retain the fertility of soil. Stop using inorganic fertilizer and pesticides, which kills the microorganism or humus in the soil. Use only organic fertilizer such as compost, that is vermicompost. It is a natural process. Vermicomposting is a natural process whereby earthworm convert waste material like cattle dung into compost, a natural fertilizer. For this, we can use kitchen waste, other green waste and cattle dung. So students, to make you understand, I am going to show you a demo, small demo as an activity for vermicomposting, right? Just have a look, bacho. See this? What is this?
Sir, what is this?
This is red earthworm. Have you ever seen this? No, never. So, bacho, ये red earthworm जो है, this is very useful for plants and it is considered as farmer's friend because with this earthworm, I am going to make some compost because this red earthworm convert cow dung or cattle dung into compost, which is organic fertilizers. Right, students? Yes. So, if you want to ask any question regarding this vermicomposting, you can ask me right now.
Sir, can we prepare this vermicompost at home?
Of course, beta. You can prepare this vermicompost at home easily and can grow pure green vegetable. Look how. Just take a bucket, pour some soil into it and add red earthworm specimen. And if you see any kind of peels of vegetable at your home kitchen waste, just keep this into the bucket. And that material will be converted into compost within 1 or 2 months with the help of red earthworm. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes,
How
beta.
much time it will take to complete?
Beta, it will take 2 or 3 months to prepare compost. Right? As the earthworm decompose all the peels of vegetables, cow dungs and waste product, organic waste product especially, and that will be decomposed by the red earthworm. And it will take 2 or 3 months. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope, beta, you have understood very well.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for being a good listener and listening me so much patiently. Thank you, beta. Now you may move to your classes.